Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips. Hello friends, today we will talk about Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream, and also we will talk about its uses and benefits, so let's start. Lipsense Lip Cream is India's first lightening cream with clinically proven actives for lightening of dark lips. This luxurious formula is enriched with proven natural actives, skin essential vitamins, nourishing oils, butter, and hyaluronic acid in a multifunctional delivery system. This product is free from mineral oils, artificial colors, and parabens. It protects your lips from sunburn, eradicates the smoking dyes, lightens the dark lips from hereditary, and boosts up overall lips beauty. Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream moisturizes, nourishes, soothes, and hydrates your lips so that you can feel a smooth condition. It keeps your lips healthy in all seasons and usable both for men and women. Some of its main benefits are: fades off melanin pigmentation, inhibits the production of melanin, nourishes and moisturizes dry chapped lips, long-lasting hydration and nourishment, looking healthy fuller lips, repairs damaged lips from sluggish elements, creates an antioxidant protective layer. How to use Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream. You can apply makeup, lipstick, gloss or balm after applying the Lipsense. Use this cream 2 times a day. Lip lightening may vary from person to person due to the size of dark areas. At the first stage, you may feel the frequent application, so ensure hydrating your lips by 2 dabs a day. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Solution for All for more awesome and healthy tips.